How to book hotels in OneTwoTrip. So now, how to book a hotel in OneTwoTrip? What do we need to do? What do we need to why and how? So why much more gets cheaper deals, and this OneTwoTrip is like perfect for travelers who are using doesn't know the area, and you want to choose a call this a hotel. Oh, if you want to know to change your region, so it can go like default on that area. You have here on the how to rock it, how to change your region in OneTwoTrip. You can watch that. Anyways, right there, we can start right here. Click on hotels right here. After clicking on hotels right there, you can now enter. Okay, here for example, Philippines. Philippines. There you go, Philippine. Philippine. Sorry guys. Philippines. There you go. There you go. Now there you go. Let's say Manila. Then Tuesday 21 to 30. One adult search right there. And if you're asking why is it Boston earlier, it's Boston because I made the video how to book flights in OneTwoTrip. So the good thing about this app is it also search for the, for example, you book a flight. It also connects it with your hotel. So you when you go to some random another country, it will also help you get a hotel right there. It will automatically get you a hotel right there. As you see right now, here are all the hotels. As you see here, for 9 nights, there we go. We have $907. And if you want to know how to change their currency here on OneTwoTrip, you can watch it on our on here on how to rock it. I think it's called how to change currency in OneTwoTrip. You can watch that if you want, guys. But yeah, there you go. So once you choose in one, for example, right here, Makati, Shangri-La, press on that right there. Then next is let's wait for a few seconds and we now select a room. So once we check a room, we have standard, superior suite, and there you go. As you can see, there are the prices right there. So right here, you can see the prices right there. For example, you can do standard room, select right there. So after searching right there, we just have to wait for the second room, back selection, select another. Okay, back to selection. So we're gonna select another room. So once we select another room, all we need to do is enter in our name. Then after entering the name, yeah, that's about it. Then we're gonna proceed to our payment. As you see right now, here we are. Then we're gonna enter a phone number, say 91234567890, something like that. Then continue. Put in the guest name and that, and there you go. We can enter any promos if you have any promos. Then now we just need to enter next to proceed to payment. After proceed to payment, you need to put in your foreign bank card number right there. So yeah, there you go. That's how we set this. So please if you enjoyed. If you have any questions or concerns, type it down in the comment section below, guys. How it answer as soon as possible here. How to rock it, guys. And thank you, guys.